Hey, I'm Paul.
Hey, I'm Kaylee.
Hey, I'm Hillary.
Hey, I'm Julia.
Hey, I'm Liza.
Hi, we're a group of students at UMass Amherst working on a documentary about cleaning up the Connecticut River.
And we're here today at the Connecticut River Greenway State Park.
The Connecticut River is New England's longest river, stretching 410 miles. Beginning at the northern tip of New Hampshire, it passes through the states of Vermont, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. It is home to 142 species of fish, 14 of which are migratory. The river has a rich cultural history, as well as a long history of severe human impact. Since then, legislation has been put in place to clean up the river. Despite these protections set in place, the river still faces challenges today, such as poor sewage treatment and dumping of pollutants.
8 million tons of plastic enter the world's oceans per year.
Plastic materials break down into tiny pieces called microplastics, which never fully degrade. This poses a serious danger to all wildlife in the oceans and even freshwater environments when it's ingested, which often leads to death. These microplastics are found in the deepest parts of the Mariana Trench and the tops of the highest mountains. From the amount of plastic bottles we collected over the course of 2 days, it's not hard to believe that over 150,000 beverage containers have been removed from the Connecticut River over the course of 23 years. In 2018 alone, volunteers picked up over 22,000 of them.
At a world population of 7.6 billion, if 1% picked up one piece of trash a day, it would result in 27.7 billion pieces of trash per year.
So, what can you do? Here's how you can get involved. Every year, the Connecticut River Conservancy organizes a Source to Sea cleanup where members of the community join together and pick up trash. But don't hesitate to pick up trash on your own. Picking up that plastic bag on the sidewalk or that styrofoam cup that didn't make it into the trash bin can make all the difference.
The amount of litter that we found really surprised us. Most of it was buried under dirt and weeds, meaning it had most likely been there for a long time.
At the end of 2 days, we picked up a total of 9 full bags of trash. We picked up a variety of different kinds of trash, the majority of which was alcohol bottles, cigarettes, and food containers. This project helped us to be conscious of the world and our community around us and how we can contribute to it for a better future. Environmental leadership is important because we need to hold ourselves accountable for our impacts on the environment.
A handful of garbage bags full of trash may not seem like a lot in the grand scheme of things. But those bags of trash are now less likely to get into waterways and oceans and be eaten by fish. This is a small but meaningful impact on the environment and our oceans. It's the accumulation of small efforts from individuals that can make a huge impact.